In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you're experiencing lag with your PS5. So I'll show you a few different tricks on how to solve this issue. Let's start with the easiest one. Before trying anything with your PS5, I suggest you unplug your Wi-Fi router. Okay, pull it out of the wall socket and then plug it back after waiting about 3 or 5 minutes. Maybe the lag is actually not coming from your PS5 itself, from the connection, it's coming from your router, and this is just a simple trick before trying anything else. Let's go with the next trick. Okay, so first we need to go into the settings menu. Okay, settings. Then from here, you're gonna go down and select network. From here, you're gonna select settings, then set up internet connection. And now as you see, I'm connected using Wi-Fi. I always suggest, if you're experiencing lag and if it's possible for you, to connect using a LAN cable, an Ethernet cable from your router directly in the back of your PS5. This is much more stable and it could improve the speed as well. But for some people, it's not possible to take a cable and route it to your PS5, and you're stuck with Wi-Fi. So what should you do instead? Well, you're gonna highlight your Wi-Fi network, and then you're gonna press the option button on your controller once to get options here. And you're gonna go down and you see where it says Wi-Fi frequency bands. Click X, and then you're gonna have two options. By default, it's automatic, and I suggest you choose 5 GHz only instead. For this to work, you'll need to bring the Wi-Fi router close to your PS5. 5 GHz is less stable, but is faster. If your router is far away, then choose 2.4 GHz. This will be a bit slower than 5 GHz, but it will be more stable. So over here you have speed, but unstable sometimes if you're far away, against the 2.4, which is stable and a bit less fast. So try playing with these settings. Now, after trying this, if you're still experiencing issues, go back in this menu and go in Advanced Settings. And from here you need to go down. And you see DNS settings. By default, every PS5 comes with it set to automatic. Go and select manual. And from here, you're gonna have primary DNS and secondary DNS. You can change these, okay? So in primary DNS, click X, and you need to input 8.8.8.8. Press done. And secondary DNS, input 8.8.4.4 and press done. This is the basic Google server that you're going to use, and it's very stable and fast. I had good success in the past, and hopefully this will solve your issue. Now, if you're still experiencing issues, there's another thing you can change. Again, I'll press the option button here. I'll press advanced settings, the way we pressed before. Go down and there's MTU settings, should be the last one. By default is automatic. Press here and select manual. By default is 1500. Instead of 1500, this is good if you have a good, this number is good if you have a fast Wi-Fi and that is reliable. But if you don't have one, and since you're experiencing lag, there may be a chance you don't have one, instead of 1500, try to put 1470. Okay, you're gonna simply lower it slightly and try this out. Okay, try this setting. Go back to your game and after pressing done, obviously, to record it. If you see that there is an improvement, this is good news. Go back here and instead of 1470, try to lower it to 1465. Okay, lower it each time by 5 until you find the sweet spot. And hopefully after doing this, you're gonna get rid of the problem completely. And finally, my last trick, if nothing works, you still get lag, even if you connected your PS5 with a LAN cable. I'll try to go back, okay? And from here, you're going to go System, and you're going to go System Software Updated Settings, and Update System Software. Update using internet, wait, and see if you have any update pending. Sometimes with the new update, it fixes some bugs that were in the past, and maybe your Wi-Fi router and your PS5 had this bug when they were connecting together, and this could solve it. So if you have any other tricks on how to solve this issue, please leave a comment down below. If one of these worked, I want to know which one. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.